What's up guys, Jordan here with ZZ Diesel. Today we're showcasing another quality product from our friends over at Forge Diesel Products. This is going to be the water separator drain plug for your 2011 to 2016 6.7 liter Powerstroke diesels. This is going to be very comparable to the video that we showed you guys on the 2017 to 2019 models for the water separator drain plug. The ones from factory can crack and leak over time. So our friends over there at Forge Diesel Products created this piece out of billet aluminum. They've put the 3 O-rings on there to ensure proper sealing as well as retainment. So it's not just falling out of there when you're doing the draining process. So it's a really quality, good product, guys. Highly recommend this because, as I said, the factory drain plug is made out of plastic, so it can crack and leak over time, as this one won't. So you can find this one on our website at zzdiesel.com. The part number on this is going to be a 360001. In a few moments, I'll get you a couple close-ups on this, and then we'll get you guys out in the shop so we can show the installation on the truck out there. So stand by. All right, guys, so we're out here in the shop under the truck. We've located our fuel filter housing for the chassis filter along the frame rail here, just behind the transfer case. And this is going to be that fuel filter drain plug that we're going to remove and replace with the Forge Diesel Products billet aluminum plug. So for the purpose of this video, we have already pre-drained the filter. So we're just going to unscrew the factory plug. So once you've got that completely unthreaded and loose, guys, you can just pull that one out and get you kind of a side-by-side here, show you the factory OE plug here, the yellow plastic one with the billet aluminum. So you can see a little bit of the differences there, but still maintains those 3 O-ring sealing points. So with the billet plug here, we're just going to stick that one right back up in there and snug it up and seal it. And there you have it, guys. So that's the install on your fuel filter drain plug for 2011 to 2016 6.7 liter Powerstroke diesels. If you have any questions, give us a call. Again, you can find this product on our website at zzdiesel.com.